In today's video, I'll show you how to replace the front brakes and rotors on a Honda from 2018 to 2021. This is a very easy job you can do yourself. Let's watch together and get started. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Be very careful with this part because it is expensive. Make sure everything is installed in the correct position and tightened properly. You need a specific tool to push it back before installing the new brake pads. Then put the tire back on, tighten it properly. Start the car and pump the brake pedal 3 to 5 times. Once it's done, you're ready to go. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. See you in the next video.